In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Sku to your Shopify store. Now, if you're not familiar with Sku, it stands for Stock Keeping Unit, and it's a unique identifier used to track your inventory. It's crucial for managing your stock levels effectively, especially if you have a variety of products with different variations. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To begin with, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, look for the Products link on the left-hand sidebar. Click on it, and you'll be taken to your product list. This is where you can see every single item that you have available on your storefront. It's important to remember that having well-organized product data, including SKUs, helps you keep track of what you have, prevents out-of-stock scenarios, and ultimately enhances your customers' shopping experience. Now, select the product you'd like to add a Sku to from the list. Clicking on the product name will take you to its specific details page. Here is where the magic happens, as this allows you to make modifications and add crucial information that keeps your store's inventory well organized and accurate. Once you're on the product details page, you'll want to scroll down to the section labeled Inventory. It's usually neatly positioned under the Pricing section. In this Inventory section, you'll see an input box marked Sku. This is where you can input or modify the Sku for your chosen product. If your products are organized with variants such as size or color, you will find a separate Sku field for each variant. Make sure you enter a unique Sku for each variant if this applies to your store's products. Now let's talk a bit about what makes a good Sku. An effective Sku consists of alphanumeric characters and is typically between 4 and 12 digits long. It should be something meaningful to you and your inventory system, perhaps a combination of codes that signify the product category, type, or specific attributes like color and size. For instance, a T-shirt could have an Sku like TSH Black M, which might stand for T-shirt, black, medium. Creating a consistent Sku format across your inventory makes it much easier not only for you to manage your stock but also to train any team members involved in inventory management. After you've input the Sku information, it's a good idea to double-check for any errors or anything you might have missed. Then, scroll back to the top of the page and click the Save button. This will ensure all your changes are stored and implemented on your store. And there you have it, your product now boasts a unique Sku, keeping your inventory system well organized. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you, whether you're updating existing products or setting up new ones. With a little practice, this will become a seamless part of managing your Shopify store's inventory. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!